It looks as though the sprint finally might well be launched. It's Wout Van Aert who is launching it. Wout Van Aert down the right-hand side in the black. But look at Biniam Girmay trying to come around him. Biniam Girmay is there trying to hit the front. Girmay does hit the front. It's Girmay who's back to business. Girmay like a rocket to the line. And Biniam Girmay with Bini.
Biniam Girmay from club Intermarch Circus Wanty claimed stage 2 of the Tour de Suisse today, beating Wout Van Aert from Jumbo-Visma in a bunch sprint in Notwil, while Arnaud Démare from Groupama FDJ completed the day's podium. Although a large crash with 30 kilometers to go briefly split the peloton, the main field swept up the day's 2 escapees, Michael Schär and Nicholas Zukowski, with the stage later culminating into an inevitable sprint finale. 2 months after my bad crash, I haven't had enough time to train to be back in top shape. It was surprising and amazing, Girmay said. I knew that an Eritrean had never won a stage of the Tour de Suisse before, but to win in front of my people, that's amazing. We have still got 6 days of racing, so I still need to focus on my race, but next time I win I'll be celebrating with them. Meanwhile, Stefan Kung from Groupama FDJ retained his leader's yellow jersey after the Swiss rider won the opening time trial. After Zukowski and then Schär were caught, Groupama FDJ lead the peloton during the last 5 kilometers, with Jaco Ullola, Trek Segafredo, and Ineos Grenadiers later join the French squad. Van Aert was the first rider to open up his sprint during the closing 100 meters, only to be overtaken by Girmay just before the line.
Looks as though the sprint finally might well be launched. It's Wout Van Aert who is launching it. Wout Van Aert down the right-hand side in the black. But look at Biniam Girmay trying to come around him. Biniam Girmay is there trying to hit the front. Girmay does hit the front. It's Girmay who's back to business. Girmay like a rocket to the line. And Biniam Girmay with Bini.